Today we will try to finish off linear equations. In 2B we are doing linear equations. Let us finish off that part. Okay. Okay. dy by dx 2 by x is equal to 2x square. Some simple problems sometimes will be there. So what is the p value? 2 by x. Q value 2x square. Integration factor e power p dx. E power p dx means 2 by x log x. So this becomes e power 2 log x, which is nothing but e power log x square, which will be x square. Therefore, integration factor we got, solution if into y is equal to integration of q into if plus c, right? So now if into y, if is what? X square is equal to integration of q is what? 2x square into if is x square dx plus c. Okay, so what will happen? X square y 2 into x power 4 dx plus c. So 2 into x power 5 by 5 plus c. A simplest problem. Okay, please note down this. Next problem. X into dy by dx plus y is equal to e power x. So first we will divide, is equal to e power x. So what is the p value? 1 by x. Q is e power x. What is the integration factor? E power p dx is equal to e power 1 by x dx. So it becomes e power log x, which is x. Therefore solution is what, sir? Look at the solution. if into y is equal to q into if plus c. Formulas are standard. If is what? X. If is x into y is equal to q is what, sir? E power x into if is x dx. Therefore look at here what I am writing. Now open the bracket, x e power ex plus integration of x into x square e power x dx. So you have to remember one. I have told you x e power x integration x into x minus 1. Here x square minus 2x plus 2. This formula. How we are getting this? You have to here. What is the x square derivative? 2x. Again 2x derivative 2. So first you have to write x square, then x square derivative 2x, then plus 2. Means first one is a plus sign, minus sign, plus sign. This you have to remember. So what is here? X is there, x derivative 1. That's why I am writing x minus 1. X is there, you write x as this. What is x derivative? 1. You can even sir x square, you write x square. What is x square derivative? 2x. Again derivative is 2. So we are writing like this. So this problem, that formula based, that's why it is, he can give you for 4 marks. Okay, it will not be for 7 marks. Okay, let us see next problem. Next problem. Look at the next problem. x into x minus 1 dy by dx minus y is equal to x cube into x minus 1 whole cube. First we divide. Please understand this. Dy into is equal to x cube into x minus 1 whole cube by x into x minus 1. Now dy by dx minus y by x into x minus 1 is equal to 1x will get cancelled, x square, x minus 1 will get cancelled, x minus 1 whole square. So ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది, ఒక x క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది, x minus 1 whole square. What is the p value? Minus 1 by x into x minus 1, q is x minus 1 whole square. Right? Observe here. Integration factor e power p dx, e power p అంటే ఏంటి సార్, minus 1 by x into x minus 1. Now we have to find integration for this. This we write minus integration of 1 by. Observe here. First I will do partial fraction for this side. X minus 1. 1 is equal to plus b into x. X is equal to 1. So this become 1 is equal to b. X is equal to 1. Sorry, 0. So this will be 0. 1 is equal to minus a. A is equal to minus 1. Therefore, I am doing separately, sir. First we will do this. What is that? A by a is what, sir? Minus 1 by x integration dx. B is what, sir? 1 by dx. So this becomes minus log x plus log of x minus 1. Observe here. This can be written log a minus log b is log of a by b. So this is what we got integration for this. It is separate ga chestunnanu, sir. Okay, partial fraction. Therefore, if is equal to minus e power 1 by x into x minus 1 dx. Okay, so what will happen? This becomes if is equal to minus log of x minus 1 by x e power. Here em ochindi e power. Again minus sign is there. Minus sign is there. So this will change to e power log of x by x minus 1. Therefore x by x minus 1. మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను సార్, ఇది మైనస్ సైన్ ఉంది కదా. సో log of x minus 1 by x. So this minus will make this is a reciprocal. So e power is there. So x into x minus 1. This is integration factor. Okay, ఇక్కడ integration చేసాం. Then again we got minus sign is there in the problem. So we have put again. So what will happen now? Solution if into y is equal to integration of q into if plus c. If ఏం వచ్చింది సార్? What is the if we got? x by x minus 1 into y. Q is what, sir? Q ఏముంటి? x square into x minus 1 whole square, then x into x minus 1 dx. So 1 x minus 1 will get cancelled. So x by x minus 1 into y, open the bracket, x into x cube into x minus 1 dx. So this becomes x power 4 dx minus integration of x cube dx. చూసుకోండి సార్ ఈ ప్రాబ్లం. సో అప్పుడు ఇది ఏమవుతుంది? x by x minus 1 into y. This is x cube. X power 4 ఏమవుతుంది సార్? x power 5 by 5. This is x power 4 by 4 plus. So we have done partial fraction చేసాం. Integration we have done. Again minus sign is there. Minus of this, minus of log of x minus 1 by x will give you log of x by x minus 1. So e power is there. I told you e power log of f of x is f of x. So x by x minus 1. So solution, this is a solution, sir. What is the solution? if into y is equal to q. So q is x square into x minus 1 whole square. So this will get cancelled. X square into x cube into x minus 1 will come. Open the bracket, x power 4, x power 3. Okay. Please go through the solution. Next problem. look at the next problem. It is a lengthy problem, sir. Listen carefully. So many things we will be doing here. Now, find the solution of x into x minus 2 dy by dx minus 2 into x minus 1 into y is equal to x cube into x minus 2, which satisfies y is equal to 9 when x is equal to 3. Now, this condition has been given. Why this condition is given, we will see later. First, x into x minus 2 dy by dx is equal to divide by x into x minus 2 by y is equal to x cube into x minus 2 by x minus 2. So, dy by dx minus 2 into x minus 1 y is equal to 1x will get cancelled, x minus 2 will get cancelled. So, what is the p value? Minus 2 into x minus 1 by x minus 2. This I will open the bracket. Okay, just to open the bracket, right? Or we will leave it as this, will not open the bracket, right? So, minus 2 into x minus 1, x into x minus 2. What is the q value? X square. Now, look at the integration factor. E power p dx. ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి సార్, minus 2 into x minus 1 by x minus 2 dx. ఇక్కడ సింప్లిఫికేషన్ చూడండి సార్, by open the bracket dx, right? Now, what is the integration of this? X square minus 2x integration 2x minus 2, minus common తీసుకోండి, derivative of this x square minus 2x derivative is what, sir? 2x minus 2. I have taken minus common. So, again take 2 common, one minus x, bring the minus sign inside, 2 into x minus 1. So, I brought the minus sign common తీసుకున్నాను, మళ్ళీ minus sign inside తీసుకెళ్ళాను. ఓకే, న్యూమరేటర్లో ఉండి 2 into e power 2 into x minus 1 by x square minus 2x, which form it is f dash x by f of x log of f of x, right? Therefore, this becomes minus log of f of x ante x square minus 2x. Here minus sign is there, power minus 1. So, this becomes 1 by x square minus 2x. So, this can be written ఇది. సో, ఇక్కడ చూసుకోండి సార్, 7 మార్క్స్లో చాలాసార్లు ఇచ్చారు. సో, I have done derivative, then brought inside and adjusted. So, minus log. So, e power, this is e power. So, minus ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి 1 by x square minus 2x. So, x common, x into x minus 2 means యాక్చువల్గా చెప్పాలంటే the denominator has come as a derivative part, sir. Okay. So, minus has come this one. Okay. Please note down this. ఇప్పుడు ఇంకా కాలేదు సార్, ఓన్లీ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఓన్లీ we got. Next, look at the next problem. Here every time we are doing one model, now this model. Okay, same problem, look at here. 1 plus y square into dx tan inverse y minus x into dy. So what I will do, first I will divide dy. This side I will divide this one this side. So what I have done, dy ni ikkada divide chesanu, 1 plus y square this side. Bring the x down this side. Is equal to, right? Now it is in the form of dx by dy plus px is equal to q. Now what happened? Now dx by dy, you model gurtunchukondi sir. There are two problems, both the problems I am doing it. So what is the p value? 1 by 1 plus y square, q value tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. So integration factor p e power p dy. ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, ప్రతిసారి p dx రాస్తాం, ఇక్కడ p dy right. Then what will happen? E power p is what sir? 1 plus y square dy, which is nothing but tan inverse y. Okay. So simple e power tan inverse y. Therefore solution. Now x is equal to integration of if into q plus c. So if is what sir? Is equal to if is what? E power tan inverse y into q is what sir? Tan inverse y by 1 plus y square dy plus c. Again let tan inverse y is equal to t. So dt is equal to 1 by 1 plus y square dy. 1 plus y square dy is replaced by dt and tan inverse y is replaced by t. ఇది ఫార్ములా అందుకనే చెప్పాను సార్, గుర్తుంచుకోండి. ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఈ పవర్ టీ, బికాస్ tan inverse y is t and tan inverse y is equal to t. So I told you many times, x e power x integration e power x into x minus 1. This you have to remember. ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫార్ములా సార్. ఓకే, e power x into x minus 1. So this becomes e power tan inverse y into x is equal to e power t is what sir? E power t into t minus 1 plus c. So e power tan inverse y into x is equal to t ante em sir? Tan inverse y minus 1 plus c. So here ఇది dx by dy form. Please remember this. Okay, very very important sir. Okay, note down this. Now look at that. Okay, x plus y plus 1 is equal to dy by dx. దీన్ని నేను రాస్తాను చూడండి, dx by dy రెసిప్రోకేట్ చేశాను. సో వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్? minus x is equal to y plus 1. Just rearrange this, right? Yes, interchangeation sir. Then bring x this side. So what is the, it is which form? dx by dy plus px is equal to q. What is the p value? Minus 1. Q value y plus 1. Okay, ikkada p value anta sir? Minus 1. And what is the q value? Y plus 1. What is the integration factor? E power p dy. So integration of minus 1 dy. So e power minus y. What is the integration factor we got? E power minus y. So solution answer, if into x is equal to integration of q into if plus c. if em vachindi sir? E power minus y x. Q answer, what is the q? Y plus 1 into e power minus y dy plus c. ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి సార్, ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఓపెన్ ద బ్రాకెట్, ఓకే, ప్లస్ e power y minus dy plus c. Again t e power t t e power t కి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఏంటి సార్ ఆర్ x e power x ఇక్కడ రాస్తున్నా x e power x కి e power x into x minus 1. Okay, if there is a minus sign, just you have to put minus sign here. Means what? X e power minus x unte e power minus x with minus sign x minus 1. Okay, so here also it is in the same form. E power minus y into x. It is same form unna sir. X badlu y unna sir, that's all. So it is minus e power minus y, y minus 1, and e power minus y ki minus e power y plus c. Why minus is coming sir? Minus 5 undi kabatti minus sign vastund. Okay, here you have to remember this. Okay, so what I have done, simply x dx by dy is equal to x by y plus 1. Okay, దీంట్లో ఈ రెండు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ గుర్తుంచుకోండి సార్, dx by dy. The previous problem, many times if you want to give for 4 marks, he is giving that for 4 marks, sometimes he is giving for 7 marks. And x is equal to 3, y is equal to 9, ఆ ప్రాబ్లం 7 marks కి ఇస్తున్నారు సార్. Or non-homogeneous models he is giving. So we have finished all the models, that is this one homogeneous, variable separable, then homogeneous and non-homogeneous 3 models. Non-homogeneous 3 models we have seen, and homogeneous we have finished, linear equations we have finished. And in this there is a one part is left over, order and degree, and how to formulate differential equation. That we'll see in the next video. With that our syllabus will be over. Then I'll start revision syllabus sir. Okay, how we'll do the starting, that I'll tell you. Okay, right.